Welcome to Child Australia Wanguri Outside School Hours Care. Whether it's before or after school care or vacation care, our programs are designed to support children's interests, encourage independence and create meaningful experiences through play. Come on inside and let us show you around. One of the things that makes Wanguri OSHC unique is the variety of spaces available for children to enjoy. With dedicated indoor rooms, children can choose how they'd like to spend their afternoon, whether that's getting creative, playing games with friends, building with construction resources, or joining one of our educator-led experiences. Our environments are planned around children's interests and regularly evolve to reflect what they're curious about and excited to explore. For children looking for a quieter moment, we also have a dedicated calm space where they can curl up with a book or simply enjoy some quiet time. At Wanguri OSHC, we place a strong emphasis on child-led play and independence. Children are encouraged to make choices about their afternoons, contribute ideas to the program, and explore activities at their own pace. Our outdoor environment is another favourite. Located across both sides of Wanguri Primary School, children have access to multiple playgrounds, wide open spaces, and plenty of room to run, play, and explore. Outdoor play also gives children the freedom to challenge themselves, build friendships, and enjoy being active in a safe and supportive environment. We know that growing children need plenty of fuel for busy days. That's why we provide a nutritious breakfast before school and a healthy afternoon tea after school, giving children the energy they need to learn, play, and enjoy every part of their day. One of the things we're most proud of at Wanguri OSHC is our wonderful community. We have strong relationships with our families, our school, and the children we care for. Our educators work alongside children every day, encouraging their ideas, celebrating their achievements, and helping them build the confidence and independence they'll carry with them throughout life. At Child Australia, we're proud to be a not-for-profit organisation. That means every decision we make is guided by what's best for children, families, and our community. We'd love to welcome your family to Child Australia Wanguri OSHC. Come and meet our team. We look forward to seeing you soon.